I got this new Hoover Cordless Blademax vacuum cleaner. I can't wait to get started with it. This is Aarti from DivaBeautyAE and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be doing the unboxing of this Hoover Cordless vacuum cleaner and also having our first impressions. So without further ado, let's get started. Started to remove all the tapes off the box and then open the box here. Try to take out the piece, but it was really difficult and squishy noise, so did it behind the scenes. So as you can see, there are different types of brushes out here, and this is the wall mount and service tool, and this is the mini pet tool and other accessories. So let's open this. And assemble this together. I have purposely muted the section. I am picking up the battery and taking out all the tools and accessories from their wrappers over here and trying to figure it out how to assemble. I don't know why I don't read the catalog first. I love to experiment myself, and yes, I am assembling the parts one by one. There's quite a lot of squeaky noise, so I had to mute and reduce the volume of this. And here I'm trying to assemble the filter, but as usual I always struggle and don't get it right the first time. So I'm going to sit down, and I then learned that I have to peel off certain stickers and then also peel the sticker from the filter itself, and there you go. You try and attach it to the vacuum. Fix it right, and there you go. I'm just making sure that it is tightly secured and it's not going to fall off, so I am adjusting all the parts again. And here you have the catalog which you're supposed to read first, and then going and attaching the main vacuum tool to this assembled kit. It's tightly secured, and here you have the final Hoover vacuum machine. It has got a lithium battery which gives it a long-lasting performance. You just tuck it in safely, it locks in, and at one time it runs for 45 minutes altogether. It has a fast charging also. The charger is also given along with it, and the catalog too. So let's run it and see how it goes. I have denoised and reduced the volume of the vacuum here, and you can increase the speed by pressing that button, and also you can run the brush through for more performance. And can you see the light there? Yeah, it can help you to vacuum in the dark even. So this Hoover cordless vacuum cleaner really comes in very handy and looks very neat, classy, easy to handle, quite flexible also. It has got the rotating brush feature as well as the light, so you can even run it in dim light. Overall, I see that it's going to be really helpful in doing my daily chores and keeping the house clean. So like it. What are your comments and feedback? Do let me know. Put in your feedback, and if you have used it, do let me know in the comments below. Do like it and give it a big thumbs up. Share the video with friends and family, and also do subscribe to my channel if you haven't till already. Click that notification bell button to stay aware of my coming videos. Till next time, goodbye.